Want to email hundreds of thousands of customers with personalized messages to boost your revenue and company growth? Check this tutorial where I walk through every single part of the process, from creating your templates, setting up your domain, and sending the emails to your customers. Let's get started. So go to zootools.co and click on Try for Free. Create a new campaign, and if you already have one, just click there. There are three ways where we can actually import contacts into zootools. One is with a CSV file, if you already are using like another service or you have Google Sheets. Add contacts via API, so this is meant for your developers. Whenever somebody signs up into your company, you can sync this to zootools. And the third one is with the sign up form. I'm gonna show you the three ways before we actually send our first marketing email. For creating a form, just click here, and under this section, you can actually customize this form, asking as many questions as you want, such as first name or email. Let's click on View Form, and I'm just gonna actually sign up. Okay, so now if we go back, you will see that there is a new entry called paul@zootools.co. The second thing is actually importing a CSV file. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Go to Google Sheets and let's create a new form, a new page, where we are gonna write down all our customers. So the first row is gonna be the header. So for example, this is gonna be the email and the name, and you can keep writing as many as you want. I'm going to actually download this CSV file, and once we have this CSV file, just drag and drop into zootools. Here we're gonna match each of the columns in the CSV file with one of the columns and properties on zootools. So in this case, we're gonna match the email with the email and the name with the first name. Once you're good to go, let's actually import, and you can tag these users if you want to reuse this for later marketing campaigns. We can actually put a name such as, let's say, test. Let's finish it, and now we are starting to import your customers directly into zootools. It will take some seconds. It really depends how big is your list. If you have multiple contacts, it will take more time. Otherwise, it will just take some seconds. You will see that now we have this one importer, and if you click on the customer, you will see all their data and all the information. The last part is how to add contacts via API, but this is something that I definitely suggest your developer to watch tutorial, but it's super simple to use and you can actually utilize that here. All right, so now we're good to go and we are gonna create our first mass email campaign. So let's come over here to emails, and under campaigns, click on create a new one. In this case, a new email campaign. Let's put a name for the campaign such as Black Friday offer, and let's pick one template. Click on create campaign. In this page now we can actually fully customize the email, so we can do things like, hey, first name, so we can add merge tags, and we can customize the whole thing. So we can put URLs, we can change things, so far and so on. For example, I can drag and drop and be like, buy us now, hey, hey, hey. Or you can add text, heading, so far and so on. Okay, once you are satisfied with this, you can actually test this out and send to yourself. So you can include as many emails as you want. So for example, I can include myself, but I can also include some colleagues such as Paul. Once you're good to go, click on send multiple emails. And now if we go to Gmail, we will see that new message that we just got. Ba-bam! There you go. Hey John, buy us now, hehe. So the last step is actually sending this campaign. So there are multiple ways where you can actually customize your campaign. So one is sending to all your customers. The other way is actually sending to a specific type of people. So for example, we can only send to the test segment that we created before, or we can send to everybody just clicking on all contacts. Also, you can customize the name. So you can add your setup custom domain that we explained on another video, and you can decide whether you want to track email opens or not. Once you're good to go, you can send now or send for later. So you can choose a future time, or you can send right immediately. And if it's your first campaign, you will have to warm up your IP address and your domain. So this is something that we do to protect your email reputation. If you have a big list, let's say 20K, 50K, 100K, just feel free to reach out to us and we will have like custom onboarding for you at support@zootools.co. So once you're good to go, let's click on send. You will have to upgrade your plan to a starter growth business. But after you do that, you can send your campaign and you're really good to go. After you send your first mass campaign, we actually suggest you to take a look to the transactional tab. So here are messages that you can actually send for people whenever somebody completes an action on your application, such as welcome emails, password research, and many more. So just click on transactional and play with it. All right, congratulations! You just sent your first mass email campaign. Want to learn more on how to grow your business with emails? Check out our free email marketing course here on YouTube, and don't forget to sign up on zootools.co. See you in the next video. Ciao!